Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily reboot your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes under the video and write comments after watching. So let's get into this topic. And let me tell you right away that the process of rebooting an iPhone is a fairly simple and quick process. And in this video, I'm going to show you two methods on how you can do it. The first method you'll need to do, friends, is to press the volume up button at the same time, and also the power button. That's how you press them, and you get a screen like this. Next, folks, you're gonna have to slide this button from the left side to the right side. And then your phone will be turned off. And once it's off, you can literally turn it on in a few seconds and press the power button and hold it down. So your phone will turn on, and that's how the reboot process will happen. Friends, if you have a hard time pressing two buttons at once, you cannot do it, then there is another method. You need to go to the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and select Basic. And then scroll down to the bottom, and you'll find down here at the bottom you'll find Power Off. And that takes you to a page like this. Then you just have to swipe from the left side to the right side of this shutdown button. And then also when the phone is already turned off, press and hold the power button to turn it on. When it turns on, you'll have a page like this. If you have a password on your iPhone, enter it, and you will easily open and restart your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. You have seen how you can reboot your iPhone. Please write your comments, be sure to put likes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.